Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter, where I help to make mathematics accessible, engaging, and approachable through videos, articles, and infographics. In this video, you will learn how to use integration by parts to solve definite integrals. For more information about this topic, please refer to the article linked in the description. In this video, we will use integration by parts to evaluate the integral from 0 to 1 of x e to the x dx. To begin, choose u equals x and dv equals e to the x dx, then du equals dx and v equals e to the x. Applying the integration by parts formula then gives x e to the x evaluated from 0 to 1 minus the integral from 0 to 1 of e to the x dx. Using the fundamental theorem of calculus for the first term then gives e minus the integral from 0 to 1 of e to the x dx. Integrating then gives e minus e to the x from 0 to 1. Applying the fundamental theorem of calculus for the second term then gives e minus 1. Subtracting, we arrive at a final answer of 1. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.